Let us see about the lesson number 5, motion, force and work and its solution. So first question, that is fill in the blanks with the proper words from the bracket. There are options, that is stationary is 0, changing, constant, displacement, velocity, speed, acceleration, stationary but not 0, in increases. Okay, so there is first question, that is a body travels a distance in a direct proportion to the time the speed of the body is constant. So constant is the answer for the first. Then if a body is moving with a constant velocity, its acceleration is 0. उसका आंसर क्या आएगा 0. Then C, speed is a scalar quantity. Then the fourth, that is D, velocity is the distance traveled by body in the particular direction in 1 unit. Okay, so then the second question, that is the observe the figure and answer the questions. Sachin and Samir, okay, that you can write the question because the question is very large, so I just gave the direct answer. The actual distance traveled by Sachin and Samir is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 15 kilometer, and the total displacement, okay, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 kilometer. So the speed is equal to total distance upon time, so 15 upon 1, that is 15 kilometer per hour. Then the velocity is equal to total displacement upon time, so that is 9 upon 1, that is 9 kilometer per hour. So the velocity from A to E can be called as the एवरेज वेलोसिटी. अंडरस्टूड. जो भी क्वेश्चन है दैट क्वेश्चन यू कैन राइट फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक, आप टेक्स्ट बुक से लिख सकते हैं. सो नाउ लेट अस सी द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, दैट इज फ्रॉम द ग्रुप्स B and C. Choose the proper words for each of the words in group A. So the answers for work, that is joule of the B column. Then for the C column, that is erg. Then for the force, Newton. Then dyne, the units, and for the displacement, meter and centimeter. Now the next question, that is a bird sitting on a wire, that is flies, circles around and come back to its perch. Explain the total distance it traverses during its flight and its eventual displacement. So the answer is what? The distance traversed by the bird is equal to the length of circumference of that circular path, and the eventual displacement of the bird is in fact 0 because it go back to its original place. Then the question number 5, that is explain the following concept if in your own words with everyday examples. The force, work, then the displacement, velocity, acceleration and distance. Okay, so you can go through this automatically. All the definitions will come, so you can write it one by one. Then velocity is the distance traveled by an object in unit time. Unit time मतलब क्या होता है? In 1 second. Example, a car moves with a velocity of 20 meter per second. And acceleration is the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So all the definitions are there. They are about force, work, displacement, velocity, acceleration, distance. ये सारे के सारे definition you have to by heart. अगर आप अच्छे से by heart करेंगे then it will useful for the up to 12th standard too. Now the next one, 6. A ball is rolling from A to D on a flat and smooth surface. Its speed is 2 cm per second. On reaching B, it was pushed continuously up to C. Okay, so this is what the question. So you have to calculate what is the acceleration of the ball as it goes from B to C. So first find out the acceleration. Speed of a ball is from A to B, that is 2 meter per second. Then the speed of the ball from C to D is 4 centimeter per second. Therefore the increase in speed from B to C is 4 minus 2, that is 2 centimeter per second. So time required to travel from B to C is what? 2 seconds. So the acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. So 2 centimeter per second divided by 2 second, that is 1 centimeter per second square. This is your final answer, that is 1 centimeter per second square. Now the last one, of course here are the different kinds of the problems are there, that you have to just write down the formula and then just answer. So this is what the solution that I gave you to you, that is of लेसन नंबर 7, और इसके ऊपर मैं पूरा का पूरा वीडियो बनाने वाला हूँ. सो जस्ट वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. द नेक्स्ट वीडियो मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर जो एक्सरसाइज है ऑफ लेसन नंबर 7, दैट इज़ मोशन, फोर्स एंड वर्क. सो व्हाट इज़ मोशन, व्हाट इज़ फोर्स एंड वर्क, और उससे रिलेटेड जितने भी सारे डेफिनेशंस है, ओके, जितने भी सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, so that I will explain with the help of the video. So now the next, that is the last question that you have to solve. Okay, so this is just a exercise for you and not the explanation. So after writing this or after this video, I will give you the explanation in details. Okay.